Hi, I'm Mary Director and I'm a Fun Stampers Journey Coach. I have a blog, it's KreatesKardsJourney.blogspot.com, a business website, funstampersjourney.com/Mary Director, and I'm also on Facebook, facebook.com/KreatesKardsJourney. I will bring this back at the end of the video. Today I'm working on some background techniques, and this one I'm going to show you uses our Journey splashes. I'm going to use Pineapple Smoothie, Citrus Cooler, and Cosmic Grape. These splashes have protective locks on the sprayers, so you have to remove this if you're going to spray. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put drops of color on our on my acrylic block, spritz it with water, and then pick up the color with cardstock. So I'm not actually going to use the sprayers today. I shook my bottles just a little to get the colors mixed up. I'm going to unscrew it. And then I'm going to put drops of color on my block. And there's no right or wrong way to do this. You just want to get some color on there. Now we're going to use Pineapple Smoothie. I do keep baby wipes handy, and also paper towels just in case. You don't want to shake these too much, you'll get bubbles in there. I overshook this one, I can tell. So I did get quite a bit of bubbles in the top here. So just move it around a little bit so you get the color mixed up. It doesn't have to be vigorously shook at all. So this is going to be an orange, a yellow, and a purple. And those that know me know I'm a big purple fanatic. Okay, I want to make sure I've got the lids untight. I'm going to use one of the Journey misters. It's filled with water, and then I'm just going to spritz the top. And as you can see, because I'm spritzing it, it's adding design to this. I'm now going to take a piece of just plain whipped cream cardstock, put it on the top, lay it down, pick it back up, and look at the great color we got. Now, I am going to use a paper towel here to just pat this dry a little bit. Got a little more, oops. Okay, now I want to get some more color on this. I like this, but I want a little more. If you had a bigger block, definitely use your bigger block, and that's really what I should have done. I forgot about that because I do have a larger one. If you have any of our Clearview sheets, you can do the same thing with a Clearview sheet. It's a thin plastic sheet, and you could put your colors on it. You could even just spray your colors and then add a little bit of misted water to it. Again, I'm just adding some color here. I want to make sure the lids are untight, so if these get knocked over, they're not going to spill all over the place. If you're using the sprayer, I definitely would recommend that you have an apron, or that you have a shirt on that you're not going to worry about, because those do spray quite a bit. Okay, so I just sprayed this, and I'm going to pick up some more color here. Okay, and then I'm going to pick up this on the other side. Now this is going to be a little more wet, so you may get some curling. Here's some great color. There's some area down here, so I can just come back in and pick up here. I'm just patting down the one corner. Then I'm going to take the paper towel, and I'm just going to pat this dry. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look how bright and cheerful that is. How beautiful. And then I can go ahead and keep working with this. So I'm going to get, hold on just a minute here. Just need to get a baby wipe. I could either wipe this off with a baby wipe, or I can just continue on. I think I'm just going to go ahead and continue on. The next one, I think I want a little more purple with it. You could also do this with our liquid colors. You could do this with our reinkers. Now, if you use our reinkers, they're not water soluble, so you would, I don't know what reaction you would get. You could try it, but I know our liquid colors would be absolutely gorgeous with this. I want to add a little more yellow. I really like creating my own backgrounds. It makes each card unique. It's something that no one else, is going to have the exact same color or design. It's just a great way to, have some fun, play with, and be creative. Again, we're going to use our little mister. It's just plain water in here. I'm going to spray this so that the colors spread. Again, this is just our whipped cream cardstock. I could use our our color splash paper. It wouldn't curl as easily. It's definitely made for watercolor. Adding a little bit of pressure. Okay, looks like we need to add some colors in. This one I'm going to wipe off, and I'm going to go back in and add some more colors. Let's do some more purple. My fingers are wet. Okay, there we go. Now I can get it. Okay, so I'm going to add more purple. And I also want a little, I think I want to get more yellow in there. Bring out the yellow more than the orange. You could go also, the other thing you could add in here is our silks. Our silks would be gorgeous. You could add in a metallic look with the silk. That would be really pretty. You could also spray over the top with silks afterwards to change the look of your background. And again, I'm just dropping color on here. And I'll add in just a little, well, no, I'm not going to even add the orange in because we have quite a bit of orange already there. Okay, and this is the part that I can get enough color on, so I'm just going to put it over that end over the block, put some pressure to it. As you can see, it's seeping through a little bit, so I might have this a little wetter than it needs to be. Okay, I'm going to take the paper towel and just blot this dry. And to clean my block, I'm just using a baby wipe, quick and easy, and a paper towel to dry it all off. And here's our two finished backgrounds, each one uniquely different. They're still a little wet, so they definitely need to dry. But how beautiful for a sunset or a floral bouquet, birthday cards, so many choices. Again, all I used was acrylic block, or you could use our Clearview sheets, any color of Journey color splash that you want. This is Cosmic Grape, Pineapple Smoothie, and Citrus Cooler that I used. I also used some just water in our mister and put the color on the block, misted it, and then dipped my paper into it. And then when I lifted the paper off, just remember to, pat it dry and allow to dry thoroughly before before applying this to your card base. And this could be cut down, it could be die cut, whatever you wanted to do. So that's another way you can create a background. Again, I could add silks to this to add some sparkle to it, whatever you want to do. Thanks so much for watching. And if you'd like to order any Fun Stampers Journey products, my business website is funstampersjourney.com/MaryDirector. Thank you.